Yo, my peeps, I don't wanna lie to you, damn, it's hot now, huh? I had to take my jersey off. Check it out. There's a t-shirt that got paint blasted. It's a t-shirt of either my brother Wasim or my other brother Uthman. Uthman is the younger brother. The youngest, not the younger. Wasim is the younger brother. There was a bug which was invisible to the camera eye. The camera couldn't pick it up. And that is why I still say Allah Azza wa Jal, for Allah is the greatest far above the rest. Allah knows everything. Allah is everything. I'm not Allah. I'm a creation of Allah. So are you. You know, guys, this particular residence I've been living here for 22 to 25 years, where I currently stay. I've been living here for 22 to 25 years. And if you can notice what I'm doing, I'm using nature as my background. Look at it. Look at it. How cool does it look? Looks like a forest, doesn't it? So if I want to really use nature as my background, okay, that seems to be fine. Yeah. You know, it's gonna be lovely when I have a tripod stand. I can be here and just speak without messing up. I can align the shot properly, or I can call someone to tell me how it looks and to bring it to me and show me. Someone can set it for me. I can call someone to set it for me before I sit down. I tell him, okay, you go sit down, this is how I want it. And then we see from there. So, it all depends. The ultimate background, custom wallahi. The ultimate background, no green screen can mimic us. Really. Even with a whack ass camera, it's still amazing. This is not green screen, obviously. My phone is too weak to do green screen. It was a fault of YouTube. That's why it's only 60 seconds and you only show one video like that ever on this page. I was just thinking of barbecue little buddy, my fish that I was gonna make my YouTube content. I was gonna make YouTube content of my fish, but sadly it died the same day I bought it. It died, and before dying, it gave me a really nice performance of hurricanes. So just gotta scratch my ear. It's itching. I wanna make a spot for myself, for where I know, okay, this is where I make YouTube videos. It's gonna be in the garden, but I just need to ask permission first. And so, a windy house. Between these two trees, or a bench, I can sit on a bench. Make a bench, put it here. But that's not for now. More ants. That's not for now. And I want to have an outside workbench for bigger projects. The tray is almost finished. Out of 30, it would have been like a quarter left. This is how much is left. Okay guys, I'm gonna say toodaloo.